Hi guys, hope you are doing good today. In this video, I will go through how you can deepfake any video and multiple face video. Let's get started. Guys, today I will show you the easiest way to do deepfake. I have shared the download link of Roop Unleashed. Download it. Open the app by clicking Windows, run.bat. It will take some time. Now it's got open. Click Face Management tab to get better output. Upload character or actor, face you want to add. Keep at least 5 to 6 images. I'll take Robert Downey Jr. images. The image got upload, press Face Set button. Now Face Set is ready. Download it by clicking. Go to Face Swap tab. Upload the video that we want to replace the face. In my video, there are 2 face. I will show you how to replace multiple face. In Input Face, keep Face Set that we created. If there is multiple faces in your footage, then click Use Face. From this frame, we can see it detect both the faces. You can change the setting according to your GPU. As I don't have heavy graphic card, I use GFP GAN. And change enhanced blend ratio to 0.8. It will give decent output. You can check the output for single frame by clicking Face Swap. We can see face got change of first character. Here you need to select the face you need to replace. Select the face, click Use Selected Face and press Done. Now you can see second character face got change. After all setting done, click Start. It will take some time. It's done. Download it. Let's see the output. Don't take. If you want to replace second character face, then upload the file that you have just created. I am using same character face. This time, I'll select second character. As I have all the setting, I will press Start. Wait for some time. We can see both the character face got change. Don't take. If you like output, click Download. Hope you have understand Roop Unleashed Deepfake. If you face any issue, comment me, I'll get back to you. Take care. Bye. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe my channel. I will make more AI tutorial channel that will be free and easy to use.